Okay, glad I caught this. So this is a live trade, 9:51 a.m. This is Eastern Time. I hope this works. I'm kind of trading remotely. I'm actually not not at home. What is this trade? Well, this trade came from a signal from markets with Gil, and you can see over here it looks to buy 92 down to 89, and then to eventually head toward upper 90s and into the 5500s. So 92 down to 89. So here is how I traded. So I started with 92 and I took this long at 92. Now, if it's going to start getting quickly toward 97, 98, I'm going to start trailing it. Um, the idea is, what if it goes to 89 first? Well, with this prop firm, I am allowed to dollar cost average, and you must research because there is at least one firm that I am aware of that does not allow dollar cost average. I know that because I was denied a payout a few months back from this prop firm. My account was not disqualified or anything. But I just had to do another 10 days and a certain amount. I'm going to start trailing this. Get to a certain amount, again, to qualify for a payout. So this firm, prop firm, I'm not going to go into any names because I'm not an affiliate with any of them. But this prop firm does allow for dollar cost average. So if there were going to go to 89, I would have taken another long at 89. So here we are, very, very quickly here. So again, this is markets with Gil right over here. It's in the members area. Who is he? Well, he's a good friend of mine for over 10 years, 30 plus year veteran of the trading community. I owe him a lot. He helped me to kind of sharpen my own approach to trading. Okay, so they took me out here. So they did not reach 99, although they came close. If they come down again toward 92, I am going to attempt another long. All right, so they get to 92 again. And once again, if they go lower, I will be ready to buy 89. Sorry everyone, my recording stopped. Again, I'm doing this virtually. I'm actually not at my home. But I am going to take one off here. I am going to take one off here, and the next one around like 98, 99. I'm going to put my stop now here. Yeah, a bit of a failure in technology, but that's all right. I'm just amazed I'm able to do this virtually away. So again, I'm not sure at what point my recording stopped. So again, price came down to 92. I took a long at 92, and as I said, even if they come down to 89, I'm still going to take a long at 89. And of course, this prop firm allows dollar cost average. Not every firm allows it. Okay, so they take me up again, take me out again. All right. All right, let's quickly summarize before I have to leave. So, this is the account used today. This is the account that took the S&P trade. I hope that recording came out. We'll see. Again, I apologize. I am actually not where this computer is. So I'm doing this virtually and it has some challenges, but we'll get through this. We'll get through this. Real quick regarding this account. So this is a $25,000 account. If you take a look at the balance before today's trading, hope you can see this, the balance was 35,000. So what's going on? I mentioned this before. In all my prop firm funded accounts, I make sure I have a balance of $10,000 above the starting balance after the payout. In other words, I don't take a payout until I am over the $10,000 mark, and then I take whatever that balance would be. The reason is I don't want to be trading scared money. I think one of the biggest challenges for prop traders is that those accounts really don't offer enough drawdown. And for me to trade the right way, not to trade, quote, scared, I need to make sure I have enough money available for drawdown. So the trailing threshold is done after, in this case, $1,500. So after 26,500, there is no more trailing drawdown, and so I just build up the account, then I take a payout. And this is today's totals after commissions. So 900 and change after commission. So it's not only the S&P trade, of course. Let's go over all the other signals that we had in Discord today. All right, so let's start at 920. YM, buy 40,951 or sell 40,888. So that's at 920. Here is 920. What you would do is you would put a buy stop 951, a sell stop at 888, and now you just wait. Price hits hard, 951. The high is 989. So there was about $150, $140 per contract per E-mini potential profit. Again, these are designed, at least at first, to be scalping trades. They're off of much smaller time frames. These are not daily levels, much smaller time frames. So I recommend take $100 and be done, or you can try and hold. Shortly later, the sell side gets hit, and this one gives you a whole bunch here, comes and retests it. For me, it would not be enough. I mean, let's see, so 888, and the high is, well, like 11, 12 ticks. For me, it would not be enough to kind of reset this trade. So, this is a nice move down, but ultimately, there was a much deeper move down from this sell level. And that's what I mean. These trades start with a scalp, but once a shift occurs from a lower time frame to a higher time frame, then a lot more than just a scalp is available. It is really up to individual traders' ability, let's say trading ability, trade management ability, as to how much you could potentially get out of these signals. Again, especially at first, I recommend simply take a scalp. I consider a scalp to be anything from $50 to $150 per E-mini contract. But again, that would depend on your ability as a trader, how much you can get out of these trades. Next, the Nasdaq right before the open, again at 920, buying 773 or selling 738. Now, when I posted it, price was right on top of the 773, and I even wrote here, allow price to come below the buy trigger. I thought the buy trigger would trigger, but as I posted it, I noticed price was right on top of the trigger. Sometimes it happens. When it happens, you just gotta allow price to come below the buy trigger, or in case of a short, above the sell trigger, and then come and hit these prices. So that's kind of what happened here. Hits it at first, now retraces as we're about to open here, and now it's a valid long or a valid short at 738. As it happened, price very quickly, right at the open, hits 773, gives you something like 50 points very quickly on the upside. We had traders today who were done in under 2 minutes. That's how fast things happen. They got their daily goal and finish for today. So yeah, these were the two signals in the high probability setups channel, combined with markets with Gil, which gave absolutely amazing S&P trade. We also have, by the way, a channel for the Globex, for the overnight. What I try to do there, because we have traders from all over the world now, different time zones, some people can or maybe even like trading Globex. So I do try to come up with one or two signals every evening for Globex, and these two do really well. So we have just a whole bunch of different opportunities within a 24-hour cycle. Come and check out our Discord group. I think we do amazing things here. I know the subscribers love us. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you did not do so yet. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Getting close. I think 944 as of this morning. So yeah, whenever possible. Again, I am away, so I'm doing all this virtually. Whenever possible, I'm going to try and do some live trade recordings or give a recap of the signals that we provide. Okay, thank you all. Any questions, please leave in the comments or come and visit us in our Discord group. Thank you all.